Now marketplace be so. Now where person know they go and now wetin person see now they buy. So therefore, Marjorie Tech Service don't block road. Marjorie Tech Service don't block road for all your repairs and hiring and sales of heavy duty and light machinery such as cars, listed romans, commons, peggies, two-weight, concrete mixer, poker vibrator, irregulation Rolls Royce, Blackstone and payloaded. If you want to locate these people, now then be your best partner in town. Yes, so where be their address in case you they ask so that make you feel go meet them for your best partner. So their address is located at number 29/9 Undu Street, just Plateau State. Make you go patronize them. Oh.